What was the fastest end to a relationship you've had? At first, I thought I was crazy when it felt like my boyfriend's dad was hitting on me, especially given that I was still in high school at the time. It started with small things like complimenting me by saying that I was the most beautiful teen he had ever seen, or how he would tell me that he liked how I looked in my private school uniform best. I blushed at his compliments, thinking it was all innocent, since a lot of the things he said were things I heard from my boyfriend too. The only part that made me slightly uncomfortable was when I would catch him glancing down my shirt a few times, but I figured it was all in my head. I was obviously wrong. One time, we ended up alone in the house because my boyfriend was asked to do an errand while we were hanging out. I was pretty upset, but he promised me it would be fast. While waiting for him to return, his dad invited me over to chill in the kitchen while cooking up dinner. We casually talked about school and about my boyfriend, when he suddenly asked me if I wanted to make extra cash for our dates. I nervously joked that I was fine since my parents gave me a nice allowance. He didn't push the conversation, but instead brought up other things like if I liked dressing up in costumes, or if I wanted to try some